Hello, you guys. It's your girl Shanti back with another video. And today I am going to be showing you guys the process of this 13 by 6 HD lace frontal 32-inch deep wave wig. It is actually, it was really supposed to be body wave, but I think they sent me the wrong texture, but it is going to look so nice. I'm still going to make it look nice. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Right now I am showing you guys the knots and how the wig looks, the texture, and I always start off by pushing my hair back so that when I bleach the knots, it don't get in the way of bleaching the hair, because if you don't push the hair back, it can bleach the hair really badly, and you guys do not want that. So I just push my hair back to make sure that the bleach does not get onto the hair, because it will bleach the hair really bad, and then it'll be looking orange instead of the color that it's supposed to look. But I just want to get the knots bleached so that it can look really natural. So I do use Eben Wonder Lace Bond to push my hair back. You could get it at the hair store. I actually spray it on the hairline of the lace frontal to just push it back a little bit. I use my comb to push it back because it's a lot easier than just using like a brush or something. But I use the comb to push the hair back. Make sure that all the hairs is pushed back, because you don't want to bleach the hair, like I said, because it can bleach if the hair is like on top of the lace frontal. So make sure that you push all the hair back, even the baby hairs. But yes, I make sure that it's sprayed on really nicely so that it could be pushed back really nice. So then when I go in with the bleaching, I use it's something called BW something bleach, and I use 40 developer, and I use the foil to push my knot, to make sure my knot is pushed on really well, to make sure the bleach is pushed onto the knots. I'm sorry. I'm just talking at this point. But yeah, you can find the bleach and the 40 developer at the hair store. And y'all, so look at this lace front bleached. It looks really natural. I think it looks a lot better bleached than just wearing it regular. And you could tell if your lace frontal is bleached because it will be like a tan color inside the frontal instead of it being like a white color. But yeah, I'm starting my plucking processing, and I just push a little hair to the front. And yes, make sure you guys pluck near the front rim of the hair so that it could look really nice. And yes, I curled this wig instead of just wearing it wet and wavy. I could wear it both ways if I choose to. But yeah, I use my lace spray to spray on my cap to make sure it sticks really nicely. Before I put my wig on and apply my wig, I make sure that it is sticking to my head really nicely. But yeah, I got this lace glue at the hair store for only $6. There's more hair glue that you could choose from, y'all. Y'all can see I'm having a little trouble. So y'all, I did it the ghetto way. I just got a tip of a comb, and then I just put it in the glue, and I applied it to the hairline of my hair, like the front hairline of my hair, not your hair, the front hairline. Okay, you don't want to get no glue in your hair. But yeah, I just applied it to that, and I used it 3 times so that the glue and the wig, the lace front, would stay in place. When I cut my cap, I cut the ear part first. I always cut the ear part first because it'd be really easy to be adjust on my head. And then I start off in this middle center of my head, and then I start cutting the lace. Well, not the lace, y'all, the cap. I'm sorry. It's easier for me to like talk during the video. I'm not used to voiceovers. But yes, make sure that that lace, the hair cap is cut really nicely. I do use HD caps. I don't like beige as much anymore because beige does not sit right well. It makes my wig look like, it just make my wig look weird. But yeah, I'm trying the wig on. I got my edges down. The wig looks really, really nice. At first I thought I over bleached it, but I think it looks really good, you know? And y'all, so yes, like I said, I applied this glue onto the my hairline of my head, I'm sorry, the hairline of my head. I applied that about 3 times. I let it dry before I apply more glue, because otherwise your glue will be just looking really bulky and bulky, and you do not want that. So make sure that you let it dry before you even apply a lot of glue at the same time, or otherwise it just won't look right. So make sure it is dry. And y'all, I feel like I got a lot better at these wig tutorials, because when I first started, I didn't even know how to bleach the knots. Okay, I was lost, I was confused, but YouTube helped me a little bit. I learned some tricks and some different hadgets so that it could look good and my wig could look nice. So yes, I have a elastic lace band. I use this to make sure my lace front is stuck on there, like stuck in place, because you don't want your lace front to be moving everywhere. So that makes the drying process a little easier. When you are cutting the frontal, like the extra frontal, make sure you are at the tip of the hairline. You don't want to be too far in the front. That's why I had to cut a little bit of it. Towards the end, you'll see the difference in my wig, because it's like a different timing of the video. I did a little bit of the video today, but you guys see how it looks like it's coming out the scalp. That is how you want the wig to look. You want it to look like it's coming out the scalp, like it's your real hair. So yeah, I think that bleaching helps a lot, because it makes the wig look more natural than just like a wig. But yeah, I'm showing you guys how the wig looks and how the frontal looks. It looks really, really good. I did get this Dola mousse tint. I got it off of Tumu, and I did win it free, but I don't think it costs that much. I think it's only like $5. I feel like I could have went with like a lighter tone, like a light brown tone. I had got like medium brown, and I feel like it made my lace look a little bit darker, but it's fine. It still looks nice. So make sure you guys pick the correct color, because I thought I was a little bit darker, and it made my tone look a little bit dark when I put it on the hairline of the lace front. But yeah, they have different colors. They have light brown, they have medium brown, and then they have dark brown. They have tons of colors. So yeah, you could choose from different colors. And y'all, I have to get a new pressing comb. So lately I just been using my little my crimpers just to make it flat. It works just as good, y'all. I'm gonna get a pressing comb. Don't make fun of me. But yeah, I got my edges that I'm gonna make down. You always want to make sure your edges is pushed down, the ones that you want to use, just so they could form really nice. Make sure you use the amount of hair you want to use. Some people like their edges thin, some people like their edges big, but me, I don't like my edges too thin. I like them a little thick, so I make my edges a little bit thick. I just like them like that. But yeah, it looks really, really good. Like, y'all see how it look like it's melted to the scalp. The hairline looks good. It just looks really, really good, y'all. And I like that they came out with different things to make our laces look really, really nice. But yeah, I'm going to start cutting the edges so that I could form them. Yep, I like to cut my sideburns a little like downward, because I make a little twirl in my sideburns anyway, so I cut them a little longer. And when I form my edges, I don't like to make them too little, so I cut them like right there near the eyebrow. And yep, I use a little pencil. It's like a flat iron pencil. It works really nice. It's really easy to form your edges. I feel like it's easier to form your edges this way by using the pencil, because then you can make like swirls in your edges and stuff that you can't make like normally when you are forming your edges. And yes, I make sure that they are formed really nice, because you want your edges to be formed the way you want them to be formed. And y'all see how that swirl look? It looks nice. And y'all, in the video, I was like kind of looking for my edge brush and the spray. But I use the spray because I don't have any edge control right now. I used it up. But yeah, you could use the spray sometimes. It might make the edges a little hard. But if you want them to not be hard after you're done with your edges, you could just wash it off. It's really simple. But yeah, I feel like I got a little better at my edges, okay? My edges looking nice. Edges looking nice. Hair looking all nice. And y'all, this is the day I went to work. I was just looking in the video to make sure that it looked really, really good. And it looked nice. This is like the next day. I did put like some extra curls in there. So I did like add to my little curls. I went over them and made them look a little nicer. But yeah, and then this is the back of my hair. It is 32 inches. It's really long. It's thick. It did take me a while to curl it because it is really thick. But yeah, it looks really nice. Oh my god, don't mind it getting stuck to the tree. But yeah, I'm just going through it to let y'all see how long it is, let y'all know the length.
Alright, you guys, so I am finishing the vlog from the other day with my wig tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy. I did do a little cut in on the lace a little bit some more because I felt like it was showing a little bit too much. But yeah, it looks so good, y'all. I gotta step in a little bit. Woo! With my hair at work, I feel like it looks really, really, really nice. I just did these curls earlier before work. I love, love, love them. I love curls, y'all. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am gonna post a voiceover over this video. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe and share. And yeah, I'll be back with more videos soon.
I've been